Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cook Desi chicken. First, let's prepare our chicken. Take about 1 kilogram of fresh chicken and cut it into medium, manageable pieces. Now, for the crucial marination step. In a large bowl, combine 1 cup of plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and a blend of spices including 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, red chili powder, and garam masala. Mix everything thoroughly, ensuring each piece is coated. Let this marinate for at least 30 minutes, or even longer for deeper flavor. Next, we'll build the base for our rich curry. Heat about 4 tablespoons of cooking oil in a heavy-bottomed pot or a traditional karahi over medium heat. Once hot, add 2 large, finely sliced onions. Sauté these patiently, stirring occasionally until they turn a beautiful golden brown. This caramelization is key for depth of flavor. Then, add 2 medium-sized, finely chopped tomatoes. Cook them down until they soften completely and the oil begins to separate from the mixture, indicating they are perfectly cooked. Now it's time for our star ingredient. Carefully add the marinated chicken pieces to the pot with the sautéed onion and tomato mixture. Stir everything together thoroughly, ensuring the chicken is well coated with the aromatic base. Cook this on a medium-high flame for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally until the chicken changes color and starts to release its juices. Then, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for approximately 20 minutes, or until the chicken is fork tender and the gravy has thickened to your liking. To finish our delicious Desi chicken, we'll add some final touches. Just before serving, sprinkle a generous amount of freshly chopped cilantro over the curry for a burst of freshness and vibrant color. You can also add an extra half teaspoon of garam masala for an enhanced aroma. Give it a gentle stir. Serve this aromatic and tender Desi chicken hot with your favorite accompaniments, such as warm naan bread, soft roti, or fluffy steamed basmati rice. Enjoy this truly authentic and flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.